Ladies and gentlemen, we are living in a time where information is everywhere, but understanding is rare. Students today don't struggle to find answers. They struggle to learn deeply, think critically, and stay motivated. That is why artificial intelligence is not here to replace teachers, it is here to upgrade teaching. Teaching with AI is not about using fancy tools. It is about becoming a smarter, faster, and more effective educator. Let's understand how. First, AI helps teachers save time, and time is a teacher's most valuable resource. Lesson planning, worksheet creation, quizzes, summaries, and explanations can now be generated in minutes. Instead of spending hours preparing material, teachers can focus on what truly matters, guiding students, solving doubts, and building real understanding. Imagine entering a classroom fully prepared, not exhausted. That's the power AI brings. Second, AI allows personalized learning, which traditional classrooms struggle with. Every student learns differently. Some understand visually, others through stories, examples, or step-by-step breakdowns. AI tools can instantly adjust explanations to match a student's level. A weak student can get simplified explanations. An advanced student can get deeper challenges. For the first time, teaching can move from one lesson for all to one path for each student. Third, AI helps teachers become better explainers. Sometimes students don't understand because they need the concept in a different form. AI can turn a theory into a real-life example, a story, an analogy, or even a practice problem. Teachers can ask AI, "Explain this like I'm teaching a 10-year-old, or give 3 real-world examples." This makes lessons clearer and more engaging. AI doesn't just give information. It helps us present knowledge in smarter ways. Fourth, AI can create interactive learning. Education is no longer just chalk and talk. Teachers can use AI to design quizzes, games, simulations, case studies, and debates. Instead of students passively listening, they start participating. When students interact, they remember more. Learning becomes active, not boring. Fifth, AI gives instant feedback, something students desperately need. Traditionally, students wait days to know whether they are right or wrong. With AI-powered tools, practice questions can be checked instantly. Students can learn from mistakes immediately. This speeds up improvement. Fast feedback means fast learning. But here's the most important point. AI does not replace teachers because AI has information, but teachers have human connection. AI cannot inspire a student who has lost confidence. AI cannot understand emotions, fears, or dreams the way a teacher can. The role of the teacher is evolving from being this source of information to being a mentor, guide, and motivator. AI handles the repetitive tasks. Teachers handle the human side. However, to teach with AI effectively, educators must follow some rules. First, don't depend blindly on AI. Always review and refine the content. AI assists, it does not think like a human expert. Second, teach students how to use AI responsibly. Show them how to ask good questions, verify answers, and avoid copying without understanding. AI should build thinking skills, not reduce them. Third, use AI to encourage curiosity, not shortcuts. Instead of giving answers directly, use AI to create problems, discussions, and challenges that make students think. When used wisely, AI turns classrooms into innovation hubs. The future classroom will not be about memorizing facts. It will be about solving problems, thinking creatively, and adapting to change. AI prepares students for that future because it mirrors the real world they will work in. Teachers who adopt AI today are not just improving lessons, they are preparing students for tomorrow's careers. So the real question is not, should we use AI in teaching? The real question is, can we afford not to? AI is a tool. In the wrong hands, it can be a shortcut. In the right hands, it becomes a superpower. And teachers, you are the ones who can turn AI into a superpower for learning. Let us not fear technology. Let us lead with it. Because when human wisdom and artificial intelligence come together, education does not become automated. It becomes unstoppable. Thank you.